Hi, so some of you might have been wondering where I've been. Well, I've been hiding. Hiding a dark, deep, dirty secret. Or at least it looks that way. It's in the bathroom. It's inside my toilet.
Look, what was that?
Okay, it's not really that bad, but it looks bad. Those lines, and I just scrubbed it. So I will show you that I did scrub it. See? It's been scrubbed. And that's as clean as it wants to get. So, how can we fix this? Just marked, and I can scrub and scrub and scrub, and it won't go away. So if you have this problem, flesh all you want, it's not going to go away. And I'm not sure how it's doing that, because upstairs doesn't have that problem. So what about this? Why does this one? It's just not right, and I mean, I gotta get in there too. Ooh. So, the solution is this wonderful thing that they usually use on your feet. You can use it on your toilet. Find a hidden spot that you're not gonna be upset if it ruins it, and that is where you try it out first. You do this first to make sure that you do not take off the finish and ruin your toilet. They actually have a tool designed for your toilet. And I thought, well, I've got a couple of these sitting around. Why don't I just try one of these? Because I'm not going to go buy one for the toilet. I'm not going to stick my hand in, so I've got some space. The ones with the toilet actually have a handle on them. But I'm going to give this a try. So let's see how it works in real time. Oh, as my knees crack. So, I don't know how to get it wet. And just if you don't test it somewhere on the toilet out of sight first and make sure that it doesn't take off the finish, you're going to create more problems for yourself. So make sure you do that first. And then, honestly, and just so you know, this scrubber doesn't take it off at all. This scrubber does nothing for it. Sounds awful. Looking fantastic. We've done enough. And you can see the little parts of it coming off. So it is wearing this down. But the toilet's still shiny. And I don't know why it's making those marks, because the toilet upstairs doesn't. And inside the back of the toilet doesn't look like it's got anything going on. And now if you look, it looks fantastic. And you can see the difference on it, that it used some of this up. But it's still shiny. I didn't ruin the finish on it. And it looks clean. So we'll see how long it lasts. But that was something that took very little time. And it looks great now. Woohoo! and I didn't even get my hands in there because we all know I'm not doing that. Yeah, I'm sure you all wanted to see inside my toilet, but I know people look, people judge, people think things. I've been in this house for 4 years, so it's definitely an issue with the toilet itself, or the water, or the pipes. I don't know, but now it looks much better. So go ahead and try the pumice stone on a hidden spot first. Always remember that, because if it takes off the enamel, you probably end up with worse problems than you started with. Then see if it works for you. And if you have any other ideas for toilets that have this mark that are maybe less abrasive, or for toilets that you notice would take the finish off, and have other ideas, comments below would be great and helpful for everyone and anyone. And if you know what's causing this, give me a message below as well. And I'm going to go sterilize my phone before I edit this and post it, so no icky phones. Ew.